The Senate will vote on a measure that was first introduced 100 years ago, the Equal Rights Amendment, or ERA. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer made the announcement Monday. The ERA is a constitutional amendment meant to guarantee equal legal rights for all Americans, regardless of sex.
But for women now, right across this great land, there's a real worry that rights protected for decades will be taken away. We are at an ominous hour in American history. Recent events, like the Supreme Court's horrible, awful Dobbs decision that stripped away a woman's right to choose and undid 50 years of precedent.
Schumer also said he's concerned about efforts to restrict the abortion medication Mifepristone. President Biden has also supported the ERA, along with many others who are pro-choice. As they say, restricting abortion is discriminatory. However, it's important for us to point out that there is opposition to the amendment, much of it coming from those who are pro-life. Earlier this year, the Catholic bishops of the United States encouraged senators not to pass the ERA, citing, quote, its negative impacts to the common good and to religious freedom. The ERA was first introduced in 1923. Congress didn't pass it until 1972. And even then, 38 states needed to ratify the measure in order to amend the Constitution. That didn't happen within the 7-year deadline imposed by Congress. So the deadline was extended another 3 years. And even then, supporters didn't get enough states to ratify the ERA. Eventually, in 2020, a 38th state, Virginia, ratified the amendment, but that was too late. The DOJ under President Trump issued a memo at the time which said the resolution had expired, and a federal district judge in 2021 declared the efforts to pass the ERA had missed the deadline. This story is considered a media miss, as it's been underreported by right-leaning outlets. At Straight Arrow News, we work to bring you a range of stories, along with context to better understand them.
Thanks for watching. Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. One way we do that is our Media Miss tool, which shows you the stories the left and right media are underreporting. Join us at straightarrownews.com.